Hey, Freedom Fighters, welcome to the Health Freedom Show, where we show you tips, tricks, and real-world strategies on how to get healthy, stay healthy, and live the life you're meant to live. I'm your host, Al Renton. In this episode, we're going to go over healthy tortillas versus toxic tortillas. Okay, so I found a place, a tortilla factory that has healthy tortillas. It's actually about 40 miles from me, but I decided to head on down there, see if they were for real, and they are. And I got a boatload of them and brought them back to spread out to our local community over here. But I wanted to go over what the difference is between a healthy tortilla and a toxic tortilla, the tortillas that are typically found in the supermarkets. Okay, so I'll go over the healthy tortilla first. A healthy tortilla typically, if you look in the book Better Living with Whole Foods, there's 3 ingredients: corn, water, lime, and an important part will be non-GMO corn, like non-genetically modified. So it's not genetically modified corn, okay? And that's what this is: non-GMO corn, water, and lime. Just 3 ingredients. That's it. That's all you need, and they taste good. They're pretty much good for you, right? And no toxic ingredients in there to bring you over into ill health, right? Toxic tortillas. These are the tortillas that are typically found at your supermarket, okay? Corn masa flour. Sometimes you'll find stone ground corn, but corn masa flour, very typical. Water, cellulose gum, guar gum, propionic acid, which is a toxic preservative. Benzoic acid, another toxic preservative, like toxic meaning cancer-causing preservative. Phosphoric acid, toxic preservative. So 3 toxic preservatives and 2 different kinds of these gums in there: cellulose gum and guar gum and corn masa flour. They say these preservatives are put in there to maintain freshness, okay? But I'll tell you, there's nothing fresh about a chemically ridden tortilla, right? I mean, look how many, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ingredients in there, 3 of them, like 60% of them, being toxic preservatives, like cancer-causing chemicals, chemical preservatives, like they are not from nature. They are made in the lab. It's crazy. It does make the tortillas like last longer, but they're toxic. They're bad for you. They make you ill. They don't bring you towards health. They take you away from it. Okay, so that's why I prefer and pretty much only eat tortillas that are with these 3 ingredients: corn, water, and lime, and the corn is non-GMO. Okay, so I'll show you what that looks like. Here's a pack of tortillas that actually made its way into the house, and it looks like it has the Hispanic lady on there, and family pack, corn tortillas, and like a la mano, and all this other different kind of stuff on there. But if you look on the back, there's the you probably can't read this, but I'll put this up in here. There's a plethora of ingredients in there, and it's all these right here. I wrote them out for you because it's written so small there. And this is typical of what you find in the supermarket. Like, it doesn't matter which pack you find. It's almost like they're all made in the same place or with the same recipe or something, and they all have toxic chemical preservatives. This company right here that I found, they aren't in the supermarket anymore. They used to be, and they're multi-generational. They've been around for 20 plus or 30 years, and they do non-GMO and no preservatives, and they've never put preservatives in their tortillas. They don't even have a label on them. These are made fresh, like right before I got there, and they're still warm right now, actually. And I just got back from there, and I wanted to make this video real quick just to let you guys know, the difference between a healthy tortilla and a toxic tortilla. So the tortillas, people will usually go, okay, there's the healthy tortilla, and then I'll just get the middle of the road tortilla. There is no middle of the road tortilla, right? They're either healthy or toxic. There is no like there is no middle ground. It's either healthy or unhealthy, and with chemical preservatives, it's highly unhealthy, and it's why the world is in the situation it's in the state of unhealth that they are. Getting chemical preservatives in all different kinds of foods. In the air we breathe, everything like that. that's a whole topic for another discussion, but just be aware of this, try to get that. And if it's like, if you're someone like me who's like a super healthy and tries to maintain health through the way you eat, the way you move, and the supplements you take, then you eat healthy tortillas like this, or just don't eat tortillas, eat something else, right? So again, this is Al Morenton with the Health Freedom Show. Thank you and have a beautiful day. Peace.